Adam Feuerstein, you're flying out to San Fran next week for the J.P. Morgan Healthcare Conference. This is the big one, right? It's the big annual gathering of the biotech tribe.
Absolutely, Greg. JP Morgan, the JP Morgan week is like the Lollapalooza of life sciences. You have the actual JP Morgan conference, it's kind of the main stage, where dozens of biotech, pharma, and healthcare companies present and meet with institutional investors over 4 days. Then there are the hangers-on, like the satellite conferences and the meetings that attract scores more drug companies, thousands of biotech, and all the major investment banks. It's quite the scene.
All right, so this is the big one. How will it set the tone for biotech investing over the course of the year? What's the mood of investors going into next week? Tell me what's going on. What's the feel like out there?
I think the mood of investors right now is kind of ebullient. It's giddy. Probably a little bit overly optimistic. Look, 2012 was a great year for biotech. The sector was up about 36%. So, I'm not surprised to see, so many smiles and predictions for more good times ahead. I just warned folks that, no party lasts forever. And in years past, if you look back in history, biotech stocks sell off during and after J.P. Morgan.
All right, so that's the conference itself. Which companies are you most interested in hearing from next week?
In general, this conference is really great because the biotech and drug companies that present there, they usually use that time to set agendas for the next 12 months. Among the big caps, I think I'm most interested in hearing from Celgene and Biogen IDEC. In mid caps, I think Onyx Pharmaceuticals is generating a lot of interest, as is BioMarin Pharmaceuticals. Then there's always the controversial stocks, which are always a lot of fun. And in this category, I'd say Amarin and Arena Pharmaceuticals.